Barber Vintage Motorcycle Festival is here again, a much anticipated event every year. It's a 3-day event where you get to appreciate all kinds of vintage and classic motorcycles, along with vintage motorcycle races, watch stunts, and test rides all kinds of new bikes from different manufacturers. But first stop, I need to go pick up some friends so we can go ride to Leeds, Alabama. It's about a 3-hour ride. And this year they're expecting about 85,000 spectators.
I'm ready. You ready? No. Okay. I got my layers on.
Okay.
So,
cool.
I'm good.
Huh? I think so. We'll see.
Almost made it.
No, you made it. Jason's not used to me filming and talking.
I know. I'll get there.
Cool bike, right?
Not as cool as yours, but it'll do.
Nah, it's pretty cool. I don't know what he can see with those mirrors on the ground,
Nothing.
but
I can't see nothing.
it's all stylish though.
All right.
Yep.
I just have to be aware of my surroundings.
I can't believe I got here before you.
I have earplugs.
Oh, okay. Well then, never mind. Did you see Kelly got? Huh? Kelly got a flat tire.
Oh, she got flat tire?
Yeah. So, but she's on her way.
Oh, damn.
I know.
Well, I was late.
Yes, but that's
little
okay.
bit, so.
Well, it still took us what, an hour and 20 minutes to get here. All right, everybody, just waiting on Kelly.
Nice bike, bro. Love it.
Yeah.
It's pretty slick, though.
It's pretty slick. Yep.
Yeah, all right, my name's Tomasz.
Jason.
Nice
Jason.
to meet you.
Yeah.
What about my friendship? No, I don't think it's one of us.
You've got colors on, so I doubt it.
They don't drive like that. The riders coach, they don't drive like that. That'd be funny if they were meeting up other people.
Yeah, so it's you're saying she got a flat tire.
Yeah, she got a flat tire. She texted me at 8:46. But I don't know where she got a flat tire, you know.
When we were going down that bumpy road, I kept checking my rear tires. Like, it was just a shitty road.
Yeah, it was.
Super shitty.
Hey, how are you?
I'll probably be meeting over with y'all.
You are?
Kelly.
Yeah. What's up?
Hey, Tone. How you
Jason.
doing? Tone.
I'm Sawata. Nice
My
to meet
hand's
you.
cold.
Hey,
That's all right.
we get it.
Get some coffee in here, y'all know?
I don't know.
Well, then okay. Bigger group.
It was freezing.
You want cold?
No, I knew it was going to be cold in the morning. But I
Yeah.
was like, I'd rather suffer a little bit in the morning and have a comfortable afternoon. So,
Man.
I knew it
No.
was going to be 61 degrees when we
Yeah.
got there.
I was still cold.
It was.
Well, then I go get it. Of course, they shipped it.
He had time to go get coffee and come back.
Well, I think it's cool to have a nice little mix of bikes, though.
Yeah, I think so.
Kelly got a different bike.
Oh yeah, she's got a new bike.
I like that color. Sir. Oh, we got a compressor.
Hey, how's he doing, Rod?
My fault.
Good to see you.
What you doing?
Girls, get herself a new Indian.
Yeah.
Sweet.
What you doing?
What's up, Tomasz?
How you been?
All right, how are you been?
Very good.
It's a new car. Yeah.
Yeah, 'cause
It's
we had that
a
other
couple
one,
couple
so-
months old.
All right, nice.
Hey, what's up?
Jason,
Kelly.
I like that color.
Thanks, man.
I like that color.
Indian.
I know. It's nice.
What are you about?
What's up, girl?
Hey, what's up? Good to see
Good
you.
to see you too.
I'm glad you
Yeah.
made it.
Woke up this morning and there was a nail in my tire. So I was like,
But you got it fixed, or
Yeah.
you just
we plugged it. But,
yeah.
It's saying low tire pressure, so.
Wait, I've got a tire where you don't need to plug it in if you want. Well, this is finally gonna come in handy.
Welcome back.
You want to try this?
My last bike, I sold it.
Yeah,
Like a little window.
That's why you have that boost.
Oh man, yeah, that's cool.
45, and I'm I think a little bit different.
Okay, that's what's up.
That's what's up. That's actually pretty cool.
What years?
Was that like that, or you?
No. The guy I bought it from, he put all that stuff on there.
Okay.
I know.
Yeah,
like,
you know you gotta buy a bike from a guy to already be all fixed up.
Yeah.
I know, right?
You ain't gotta do nothing to it.
Or you never get to ride it because it's always in pieces. And I said, I met this girl that rides. I said, and she said, what's her name? I said, you wouldn't know her. And the man said, what's her name? I said, Sawatha. She's like, I know Sawatha. She's a badass. We did crawl together, and I was like,
Krav Maga partner.
yes, everybody knows this lady.
But nobody knows who's Sawada in the church on Sunday.
Wow.
You won't find me there. You'll find me riding on Sunday. That's my church. Kelly, guess how we met?
How'd y'all meet?
How do we meet?
YouTube.
Oh yeah,
He's one of my subscribers.
How was that?
I was getting ready to go to take this to the Blue Ridge Parkway.
Yeah.
And then and because I was researching it on my computer, then when I went to YouTube, their video came up.
Yeah.
And so I was like, okay. And now I'm a cybersecururity analyst, so I'm already mad that they got it wired like that. That's annoying. That's 5 minutes from here.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, okay, I know that spot.
I'm going to just be inside.
Yeah. How low was it?
Like 20, 27?
Really?
Yeah.
What's your normal on that bike?
41?
What?
Yeah. It was just steady going down.
That sucks.
I know.
He slows it down by using the rear brake and 160 horsepower.
What's your first name? Sorry.
First name is Solana.
With
No, the tires are feeling good.
Always had a way to make it work and find another route. Always had a way to make it work and find another route. Always had a way to make it work and find another route.
Water next to the pizza condiment. I'm super thirsty now. Delicious.
better be.
Had a way to make it work and find another route. Yeah.
But guess what? Came prepared this time.
Oh, what do you have?
Okay, yeah, baby. So anyway, we had some RNA battery. Got home in the dark with no GPS. Not this time.
See ya.
All right, we are now in the Paddock, and we're trying to find Scott, and he's a racer. And we have no idea where we're going. Thank God, Tomasz is not afraid of asking for directions. Did you actually understand the directions?
He wasn't too confident, so
Oh,
I wouldn't put
okay.
Yeah.
Look at this one. Oh, look at that bike. Is it new? That's different from last year. Okay. Nice. Man, missed it again. Paint tape. That held it for the race. That's what matters.
Yeah, so that's kind of
Ooh.
Well, you probably you better fit it for this one.
Wow.
Sounds like
And ta-da! Ta-da! So who's riding it? Your husband? Yeah. Okay. Can we look at it? So what do you hang on to just to make sure you don't fall off?
I hook my left leg in here, my foot.
Oh.
It's here.
That's it.
Yep, and then I just.
Wow, lean as much as possible.
Yep.
Has he ever touched? Have ever touched the
No, not the head. I usually. Sometimes there's a cone in the way, so we're like, whoop. But yeah,
How fast have you guys gone?
so the straights, I think it gets to 90.
Okay.
The turns, it depends. Depends on the turn. 40,
I watched it. I mean, watch you guys race. This is too cool.
50. Yeah, it's a lot of fun.
Yeah.
You have a lot of confidence in your husband.
Yes, it's a lot of trust. Yeah.
Have you ever tried to ride it and then him lean?
No, he
I
wants,
would never try that.
he wants me to do that, but I don't know if I'm gonna be responsible for the ride.
Oh, okay. Well, this is very cool. Very dangerous still, you know?
Yeah, but I feel safe with all the protection we have.
Yes. Okay.
so far I haven't fallen off.
Where are you guys from?
So we live up in Boston,
Okay.
and I'm originally from Germany.
Germany.
Yeah.
From Poland.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Fellow European.
Yeah, wie geht's?
Very good.
And I grew up,
I cannot. I don't speak Polish at all.
and I grew up in France for 20
In France?
years.
Oh,
Yes.
really? Nice.
Been here for quite a bit now. But yeah, very cool. Well, yeah, that's awesome. Missing Kelly brought her husband, Jason, and then Kelly's new friend. But we need to find him because look.
Oh no! Oh, we gotta investigate.
I've got his luggage.
Or maybe you
So
should,
we can't take off without him.
or maybe you should file a missing person report.
I mean, he said he wasn't feeling good. I've been calling him.
Well, we did see an ambulance on our way here.
Yeah. Oh my God, who said that?
Well, they gotta check it.
Yeah.
Favor or heart? One of those two, wasn't it? Because
Looking for him all day long.
I've been partying.
Partying, yeah. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, there's people in there, but it's kind of like a dive. It's kind of like a dive bar. But they got an outside seating in the back. We'll just try to sit up there. I just want some food, so I ain't trying to.
Oh, sweet.
for racers, of course.
Bikes that would be
The track was pretty cool, riding around the dark.
and signing up for the
Bikes, those motorcycles over there.
Alright, I had a good dinner. And now
She's gonna be a YouTube star one day.
one day, maybe.
She might be.
Hey,
Yeah.
Breakfast, you're gonna have to go all the way back to Pell City.
Mel City.
Nice. Very nice. No, it would look good on him.
I want to start riding a motorcycle with that. No, put it up there. Pull over. Salt. That's for tonight, though. Oh, yeah.
You too cool for that.
Bags.
Thank God you have us. No, nothing's. You know, you just want to be pretty. I understand.
I feel attacked.
If I had a bike like yours, I would want to feel pretty.
Well, you know what? You can carry some stuff.
Well, I'm already carrying your bag, mister.
This is gonna be.
But really, it's just.
It's crap. It's junk.
So you know it's junk. Why you eat it?
It's junk, but you just if it's different state doesn't count. So.
Okay. Yum. Look at that sunrise. guys, well, we're going back home. Well, you heading to
Chattanooga to a car show. Heading
Tomasz
north.
and Nice.
And you guys are heading east.
East, going back home. And, well, I had a good time.
I did too. First time meeting Thomas. So,
Yeah,
super
we
cool
had
dude.
awesome time.
Not the last time though.
Yeah,
No, the last
definitely.
time.
We're going to have more rides together.
For sure, for sure.
And first time riding with us. With
Yes,
you.
yes, I had a blast.
So, one of my subscribers.
Yeah.
And here we are.
I know, right?
In Alabama.
On the lake.
On the lake. Yeah. And so, did you have fun?
I had a good time. The show was amazing. I think next year I want to stay for 2 days, so we're gonna have to figure that out.
Yeah.
Like we were just talking about maybe camping or something, and you know, close by the track. But yeah, I had a blast. Saw a lot of cool bikes, some bikes that I probably would never want to be on a highway, but some scary stuff. But pretty cool.
Yeah.
And the races were cool. These guys are really talented, and they put on a really good show. There's something for everybody. If you never did Barber, I never did it before now. But if you've never done Barber and you can figure it out to do it in your schedule, like go. Like it's a great show. There's something for everybody. And the manufacturers still come out, which is great.
Yeah.
And I even saw Royal Enfield there. So
Yeah.
So it's cool. Really cool. Really cool show.
What about you, Tomasz?
No, it was just, you know, I agree.
First time as well? to the
First time to
festival?
Barber, yeah, actually. Believe it or not.
Right.
It was awesome. I was over. The amount of motorcycles over there was overwhelming, and all different kinds. So these tiny street legal, street just not
Crazy.
legal.
Home builds. Yeah.
Anything you could imagine. Especially those racing ones. In the paddocks, there's a different breed. That was amazing. The people, the crowds, I think, that make it real.
Yes.
Yeah.
I mean, I agree. Staying on the track, I think it's the way to go to do. Another idea, RV and take a bunch of pit bikes
Yeah, exactly.
with an RV, and then
Yeah.
just have fun, you know.
I
And,
do have an RV I'm trying to sell, by the way, guys.
That's an idea though.
That's
RV,
a pitch.
trailer some pit
It's not a
bikes
sales
out,
pitch.
some CT70s or some monkeys or something, and just have a
pit
blast.
bikes.
Ruckus, even like a ruckus, even just something just to tool around on.
Or just a scooter.
Yeah.
I do
It
have a
was some-
scooter for sale,
It,
too.
it was some cool scooters there too. It was some cool. If you're into anything with 2 wheels and sometimes 3 wheels, then do Barber. Do yourself the favor. It's worth whatever it takes for you to get there. Like
Yeah.
I can't wait for next year. I'm already excited on how we can.
Especially for test rides.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Tesla.
you get to test ride like all the manufacturer stuff, and they have a 10-mile loop. So you're not like just test riding like around a parking lot. There's a 10-mile route that you get to go and really test ride. So that part was cool. Like it's like a real ride, you
Yeah,
know.
yeah.
So
Okay, very cool.
yeah.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.